Once you have opened the app, access the sidebar menu by clicking the 3 horizontal lines icon in the upper left corner. Tap on Profile at the top of the menu and toggle the two-factor authentication switch. This opens the two-factor authentication page. If you don't have an authentication app, press Install Authentication App. Once the authentication app is installed, there are several options for adding your secret key to your authentication app. Option 1, press Open with Authenticator to automatically add the secret key to your authentication app. Option 2, reveal and scan the QR code. And Option 3, tap to copy the secret key, then manually paste it into your authentication app. Select Add Account. Choose the account type, provide an account name, paste the secret key, and tap Finish. Your authentication app will generate random, frequently changing codes. Copy the one-time 6-digit passcode before it expires. Return to TabTrader and confirm the two-factor authentication setup by entering this 6-digit code. Press Confirm. That's it. Store your setup key safely and do not show it to anyone.